All right, welcome back. In fact, there is now breaking news coming in from here. There is a hearse van which has been put across right inside. I'll ask Dinesh, in fact, to just show you the family members of Vikas Dubey have come to collect his body. The post-mortem process is over. We've been told that a panel of three doctors conducted the post-mortem, and his brother-in-law has come to claim his body. This van that you see, the ambulance, this is the hearse vehicle that has been brought here by the administration that will be taking the body inside. Massive amount of media presence and also a lot of people here. The police, in fact, not stopping anybody, and that has resulted in a lot of people, in fact, standing all across. Remember, the corona war is still not over, and that is something that the people completely now throwing to the wind just because of their piquing curiosity and interest as far as Vikas Dubey is concerned. So this vehicle that you see where the police is standing right now, this is the vehicle in which Vikas Dubey's mortal remains will be taken. What we have been told is that he's unlikely to be taken to his house. The police may, in fact, take him straight for cremation to a cremation ground, and his family members possibly could come there. Remember, Vikas' son and his wife both are in police custody. There are other family members, those who are absconding as well, including his brother and his brother-in-law. His brother-in-law has come to claim the body. We were told that it took about 6 hours, in fact, for the post-mortem to be done. And it was a team of 3 doctors that conducted the post-mortem on Vikas Dubey. We are waiting the post-mortem report to try and understand whether he had any other injury marks on him after the car turned turtle. So the policemen have been injured. Whether there are external injury marks on Vikas Dubey, we'll have to wait and see how many bullets were pumped into him. Some reports saying 3, some in fact are claiming 4. At what angle, time of death, all those things are very important in this. So what you see right now, in fact, Dinesh will just try and give you a sense, a lot of activity there and pictures being clicked. Somebody, in fact, standing on top of that vehicle itself to try and get a picture of the mortal remains of Vikas Dubey. At this moment, what you can see is, in fact, the vehicle in which it is being loaded, and then it will be taken out from here to, in fact, most likely to a cremation ground. So the vehicle, in fact, all right, so let's just see, we'll try and find a safer place so that the vehicle can, in fact, move out. The police right now running around trying, because it will be escorted by a lot of police vehicles. So the Vikas Dubey, his post-mortem done, his body has now been handed over to the relatives. His brother-in-law has taken possession of the body. This is live, visuals which are coming to you. This is the vehicle in which Vikas Dubey's mortal remains are being taken. His brother-in-law, along with 2 policemen, is sitting at the back all right, so now you can see somebody else also getting inside the vehicle, a couple of more policemen, and that's it. The final chapter as far as Vikas Dubey saga now, in fact, being written here at this moment. He is being taken out from the post-mortem house and most likely will be taken directly to a cremation ground. So that's the latest coming in from Lucknow, from Kanpur. Vikas Dubey has been taken out of the post-mortem. His post-mortem is done. We are awaiting the post-mortem report. Well, that's all the time that we have on this edition of 6 p.m. Prime News and Updates, and we'll continue our coverage. We'll try and track where the body has been taken and what, in fact, is going to happen from here on in investigation and the politics around it. Thank you so much for being with us. 7 at 7 up next with Preeti Chaudhary.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.